Okay, so this is part 3. Let's go ahead and finish the examples. So example 2, the universe here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set A includes 1, 2, 4, 6. Set B includes 1, 3, 4, 5. Set C includes 3, 4, 6. Okay, so here we're going to work this out step by step. So first we have A or B. So we have A or B. So what's in A or B? Either or. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the and sign. A or C. So A, we have 1, B, 2, then we have 3, 4, 6. And the last step here is what is and for both of these sets. So remember, and is what's in common, the similar elements. One is in common, 2 is in common, 3, and 4. Therefore, this is your answer here. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one. So B. Now we're looking at A or B. So either an A or B. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have an and. It says not in C. So every element that's not in C. So 1 is not in C. 2 is not in C. 5 is not in C. In the last step, is what's in common with both of these sets. 1 is in common, and 2 is in common, and 5 is in common. So this would be the answer for this one, and that would be the answer for A. Okay, and this, pretty simple. What's not in A, and then what's not in B. 3 is not in A. 5 is not in A. What's not in B? 2 is not in B, and 6 is not in B. So this is an and, so there's what's similar. Nothing is similar here. Therefore, it's an empty set. Empty set means nothing's in common. So the answer here, this is the answer for this one. And then empty set is for C. Okay. Everything's done here. Let's go ahead. Oh, hold on. Right here, we did not have the 6. So don't forget the 6. For the first one. Okay, let's move on. Another definition, the number of elements in A or B for any finite sets A and B. This is the definition that we can utilize to work on these type of word problems. So it says the results of a survey of visitors at the mall revealed that 50 people wore shorts. So it says 50 people wore shorts, short pants. 28 people wore tennis shoes. And then it says that 8 wore both. So both represents and. Okay, both represents and. How many wore short pants or tennis shoes? Let's go ahead and solve this problem. So let's start off by labeling a couple of things. Let N of 8 represent 50 people who wore shorts. So we are solving for the or. So we're solving for this right here. Okay. So let our N of A represent the 50 people who wore short pants. So that's 50 plus N of B, let that represent the 28 people who wore tennis shoes. And then we have to subtract the people that wore both, the and. So 8 people wore both short pants and tennis shoes to the mall. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish solving this. So 50 plus 28, 78 minus 8, 78 minus 8 is 70. Therefore, our or is 70 people. So the question asked us, how many wore short pants or tennis shoes? 70 people. And utilizing the same formula, we can go ahead and solve one more question. Okay, and this reads, let's go ahead and move this over some. The result of a survey of customers at an ice cream shop revealed that 14 purchased either, so that's our or, a milkshake or ice cream. 10 people purchased ice cream. 9 people purchased both a milkshake and ice cream. How many customers purchased only a milkshake? So what are we really missing here? We have our or, we have how many people purchase ice cream, and we have how many purchase both. That's our and. So we're only missing an individual numerical value, and that's the milkshake. So let's go ahead and finish this one. So we have what's our or, either or, and that's 14. And we know how many people purchase just the ice cream. And that was 10. Change that to green so it'll correlate what we have right now. Plus the milkshake, we don't know how many people purchase a milkshake. So we'll put that as just a variable that's representing there. And then we do know how many people purchased both the milkshake and the ice cream. How many were there? 9. 9 purchased both milkshake and the ice cream. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. So we have 14 equals 10 plus NB minus 9. So let's go ahead and combine the 10 and the 9, the negative 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. And then we still have the N of B. Now let's go ahead and subtract that 1 from both sides. So minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so what happens there? These cancel out. Then what do we have left over? 14 minus 1 is 13. And that equals N of B. Therefore, 13 people only purchased milkshake. Okay. Till next time.